Welcome to our channel, where today we delve into a critical concept in finance: cost drivers. Understanding cost drivers is not just beneficial, but essential for any company, aiming to optimize its financial performance and enhance competitiveness. But what exactly are cost drivers, and why should businesses pay close attention to them? At its core, a cost driver is any activity or factor that has a direct impact on the cost of producing a product or delivering a service. By identifying these drivers, businesses can gain valuable insights into where their money is being spent, which activities add value, and which may need reevaluation. This understanding is paramount for cost management and strategic planning. Let's break it down into more detail. Cost drivers can fall into different categories based on their nature and how they affect a company's cost structure. First, let's talk about direct costs. Direct costs are expenses that can be directly traced to the production of specific goods or services. Common examples include raw materials and labor. For instance, in a manufacturing company, the cost of steel used to produce cars would be a direct cost. These costs are closely tied to the efficiency of the production process and can fluctuate based on varying levels of production demand. Next, we have indirect costs, which are not directly traceable to a particular product or service, but are necessary for the business to operate. Consider costs such as rent, utilities, and administrative expenses. These costs are often more fixed in nature, but can fluctuate based on operational scales or economization strategies. For instance, a company's rent might remain the same regardless of how much is produced, yet the expense is necessary to keep the lights on. Then, there are fixed costs, which remain constant regardless of the level of production or sales volume. Salaries, for instance, typically fall into this category. Whether the company produces 1 unit or 1,000, the salaries of permanent staff remain the same. Understanding fixed costs is critical for businesses as they determine the break-even point and play a significant role in financial forecasting and budgeting. Identifying these cost drivers within their operations allows companies to manage expenses more effectively and strategically position themselves in their respective markets. For example, if a company identifies labor as a primary cost driver, it might invest in automation technology to reduce dependency on manual labor. This strategic decision could lower production costs and increase profit margins. Moreover, understanding cost drivers aids in accurate pricing strategies. If a company misjudges its cost drivers, it might underprice its products and erode profit margins, or overprice and lose competitive advantage. Correctly identifying cost drivers enables businesses to set prices that reflect the actual cost and desired profitability. Regularly analyzing and reviewing cost drivers also helps companies respond to changes in the market environment. For instance, if a supplier increases the price of raw materials, a company can adjust its cost structure to minimize the impact on overall profitability. This kind of agility is crucial in industries subject to rapid changes and fluctuations. In conclusion, cost drivers are more than just numbers on a financial statement. They are integral elements that influence a company's overall financial performance. By understanding and managing these drivers, businesses can streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and strategically position themselves for growth. Knowledge of cost drivers enables companies to make informed decisions, optimize resources, and ultimately achieve a sustainable competitive edge in the marketplace. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this exploration of cost drivers has provided valuable insights into how they function within finance and why they are vital for business success. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this, and as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. Until next time.